So nothing changes when we have something that has three terms in it. It's still a squared. That still means write it twice. So 3x squared plus 2x plus 7. And the reason we write it twice is because we're squaring it. So I have that going on right there. So I'm going to distribute this to those three terms right there. I have to distribute each thing to each of the term in the second one. So I'm going to end up with a whole bunch of terms when I go through and do this. I'm going to color code them so they make sense. So 3x squared times 3x squared is 9x to the fourth. Make sure you add the exponents. 3x squared times 2x is 6x to the third. Again, make sure you add the exponents. 3x squared times 7 is plus 21x squared. And then the purple distribution, 2x times 3x squared is plus 6x to the third. And then 2x times 2x is plus 4x squared. And 2x times 7 is plus 14x. The orange distributions, 7 times 3x squared is plus 21x squared. 7 times 2x is plus 14x. And 7 times 7 is plus 49. Right, now this was nice because all the signs were plus signs, so I didn't have to mess with any signs, so just be careful with that. So you can see a giant string of terms. Look for the ones that are like terms. You'll have a lot, and you'll also have a lot of terms that repeat. All right, that happens when you square something. So I've got those x to the thirds. I've got an x squared here, an x squared here, and an x squared here. And then I've got an x term here and an x term there. All right, like I said, you can see that some of the terms repeated. So then be very, very careful here. So I have 9x to the fourth. I've got 6 and 21x to the third, so plus 27x to the third. I've got a 4 and a 21, so I've got 25. Oh, I missed the 21, sorry. I've got two 21s, so I've got a, hang on. All right, hang on, I gotta back up. You can see this. These are very easy to not pay attention to. So I have a 6x to the third and a 6x to the third. So I have 12x to the third. I have a 21x squared, a 4x squared, and a 21x squared. So that's 21 and 21 is 42, plus another 4 is 46. So plus 46x squared. And then I have a 14 and a 14, so plus 28x plus 49. All right, and you can see right there, I made a couple mistakes. You've just got to pay attention. I like to say everything like out loud or in my head as I'm doing it, so that I'm really kind of zeroing in on specific things.